Exploring vintage Apple II software and have a PRISM file? This is a data file from a classic Apple II software collection CD-ROM. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Golden Orchard Apple II files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful PRISM troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. PRISM files are data files from the Golden Orchard Apple II CD-ROM, a comprehensive collection of Apple II software titles. They contain Apple II program data disk images or archived content originally distributed on CD for vintage computing enthusiasts. PRISM files store Apple II content in a format associated with the Golden Orchard collection, which may include disk image data, text files, or compressed program archives. The files require Apple II emulation or specialized vintage software tools for proper interpretation and execution. Historically, the main tool for managing the PRISM type has been Apple OS X by Apple Inc. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows gives a simple file-level view, but understanding the data requires specialized software. The fastest route to success is testing all the options. Right-click the PRISM file and hit Open With. Use Apple OS X if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If the PRISM file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Since the standard approach didn't work, it's time to get surgical. Let's quickly go through these 3 core troubleshooting procedures. First, using Apple II emulators. Install an Apple II emulator like Apple Win, Open Emulator, or Virtual. Configure the emulator to mount the PRISM file as a disk image. The emulator boots into the Apple II environment, running the original software with authentic vintage computing experience. Next, converting to disk images. Use Apple II disk image tools like CiderPress or Apple Commander to inspect or convert PRISM files to standard DSK or 2MG disk images. Once converted, the disk images load directly into any Apple II emulator with full support for program execution. Finally, browsing Golden Orchard tools. If the PRISM file is part of the Golden Orchard CD, use the original Golden Orchard browser, if available, or community-built tools that index the collection. These tools provide guided navigation through the archive's organized software categories. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.